Hi, I'm Adiyan Singh, and this is my app for the Congressional App Challenge. Smart Homework Planner is an app I made that helps students easily organize and distribute their assignments at school. It has several features like adding assignments, editing them, deleting them, and marking them as done. However, its main feature is its AI-driven recommendation system, which recommends a time for a student to spend on an assignment based on previous grades. This uses an algorithm that's inspired from the reinforcement learning technique of machine learning, and the app itself was made using Python and tkinter. I was inspired to make this app because I had a lot of workload at school, and I really wanted a way to finish all of it. And making my own schedule wasn't working, so I was quite upset about that. Then it struck me, what if a computer could tell me how much time to spend on each assignment? When running the app for the first time, you will see a blue calendar. This is where all of your assignments will appear. To add an assignment, you can click the plus button and then a menu would come up. Here you can put the name of the assignment, so let's say Essay 1, the number of points that assignment has, let's say 50, and how many minutes we want to do on each day. So let's say we want to do 100 minutes in total. We can put 50 minutes on Sunday, 20 minutes on Monday, 20 minutes on Tuesday, and 10 minutes on Wednesday. When we click done, these assignments will show up in their respective slots. Now let's see what actions we can do with these assignments. So let's say it wasn't essay number 1, that the name was actually essay number 2. No worries, we can just click edit assignment and we can change the name to essay 2. There, the name has been changed on each day. Similarly, we can also change the number of minutes that a student has to do an assignment on a specific day. So we can change it on Sunday. For example, let's say instead of 50 minutes, we want to do 60 minutes on this assignment. We can easily change it. Another action we can do is just delete an assignment from a single day. So if you don't want to do it at all on Monday, we can click delete. And the last thing we can do with this is we can of course mark it as done. This tells the app that you're done with the assignment and it pushes it over to the grades page, which we'll be looking into in a second. So mark as done. After marking our assignment as done, we can see it over in the grades page. Under ungraded assignments, we can see essay number 2 because we have not received the grade for it yet. When we do receive the grade for the assignment, let's say we get a 48 out of 50, we can mark that as graded and we can see that in the gallery. The gallery is a list of all the assignments a student has received and been graded on. Let's go back. And now this is where the main feature of the app comes in, the recommendation system. Smart Homework Planner's recommendation system uses an AI approach to calculate the ratio of the previous list of assignments, which right now is only Essay 2, and it takes that ratio, compares it to an ideal grade, and recommends that time. Let's see what that means. So if we want to have the new assignment, essay number 3, again 50 points, when we click recommend time, it recommends that we spend at least 84 minutes on this assignment with the same amount of effort. This is because we spent 80 minutes of the last assignment and we got a 96%. So in hopes to get 100%, we need to spend at least 84 minutes on this assignment. Now let's say essay number 3 was not 50 points, and let's say our teacher made it a little harder to do this assignment. Maybe it's like 100 points. When we click recommend time, it takes that same ratio, uses a min-max approach to give us this time, 167 minutes at least on this assignment. I really hope that this app can help students reduce their stress and anxiety and that it can positively impact their mental health. I also want to point out that this app is accessible to all students as it can work on any computer or web interface. This was my app for the Congressional App Challenge. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found it useful.